Okay, so I'm going to work chapter 24, problem number 4 in the back of the chapter. It's on page 755. So problem number 4 is giving you a railroad. It's a railroad problem. So it's a railroad curve. Degree of curve is 4 degrees. I is 24 degrees. And the PI station is 36 plus 45. So it wants us to solve for L, T, E, M, LCR, PC, and PT. So the first thing I'm going to look at is I've got a formula sheet on my left side. And then I'm going to look and see. If it is a highway curve, we would use equation 24(3). If it is a railroad, to solve for R, we're going to use 24(10). So I'm going to go ahead and solve for R first. So R equals 50 divided by sine D, and our D is 4, divided by 2. So your 50 is a constant, your 2 is a constant. That'll give you your answer in feet. And when I calculated that, I got 1,432.685. So you're going to look and see what you're given, and you're wanting to solve everything over here. So my next one I'm going to actually solve for R. Or we just solved for R. I'm going to solve for L. So I'm going to use the equation 24. I'm just going to write 24(2). A. And L equals 100 I divided by D. L equals 100 times I is 24 and D is 4. That should give you 600 feet. Alright, so next thing I'm going to solve is T. So T is equation 24(4), and T equals R tangent I divided by 2. Tangent, and our R we just solved is 1432.685. Times tangent I is 24 divided by 2. I got 304.567. This is feet. Alright, now I need to solve for LC. And LC is equation 24(5), and LC equals 2R sine I over 2. So 2 times 1432, so I'm bringing my R down, 0.685 times sine, and I is 24 divided by 2. So LC would be 595.74. I'm going to solve for E, which is 24(8), and E equals tangent, and then tangent of I over 4. So our tangent is 304.567. Tangent, and then I is 24 divided by 4. E would be 3201. And then I need to solve for M. And M is E. Is E cosine I over 2, and E is 3201 cosine 24 divided by 2. So when I solve for M, I'm going to get 3131. Alright, so the last thing we have to calculate is PC and PT. So you'll type your PI, which is given. Okay, so PI is PI is 36 plus 45. I normally like to take the plus out, so I'm going to write 3645. You subtract your T, and our T is 304.567. So I'm going to subtract T, and that gives me 33 plus 40.433. That is my PC. Now to add, you want to add L, and I'm going to go ahead and drop down and say 3340.433 plus L, which is 600. So my PT station will be 39 plus 40.333. So you can take the plus out, add them, and then come 2 over 1, 2, and put your plus back in. So that's how you would just solve your simple curve. So in the next problem, I'll show you how to set up your deflection increments and deflection angles for this problem.